In order to switch accounts on Roblox Mobile, make sure you are signed into Roblox on your mobile device. Then go to the bottom menu and select on this option that says More. Then scroll down until you see Log Out. Now, before you press on Log Out, I'm going to briefly explain how this works. So the way it works is that we're going to sign out of our original Roblox account. Then we're going to sign into our other account. But to make the process faster, what we're going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and keep two-step verification enabled. And also, we're going to save our login information to our password manager. So that basically means that in the future, we only need to press like 3 buttons in order to switch accounts instead of manually typing in the password every time we want to go ahead and switch accounts. So let me go ahead and sign out really quickly. All right, then what you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and press on sign in. Now, here's the thing. After you sign in, it is going to ask you whether you want to save the password to your device. Press on yes, because that is going to allow you to quickly sign in again and again, and it is going to make the process smoother. All right, and as you're able to tell, I now switched my account. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.